Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a guide on how to create Beehivv landing page. Essentially, I'm going to walk you through the process of personalizing your landing page to align with your brand and preferences. Your landing page is often the first impression potential subscribers or customers have of your brand. A well-designed personalized page can significantly boost engagement and conversions. And with Beehivv, you have the tools to create a landing page that truly represents your brand and speaks to your audience. First things first, you will need a Beehivv account. And if you don't have one already, then you can use the link in our description box down below. Upon creating an account using it, you will get a 30-day free trial and then 20% off for 3 consecutive months. This will give you plenty of time to explore the platform and create your perfect landing page. Once we get on beehivv.com, you want to look for the design option. You will see 2 options on there, the website builder and the new F builder. In this video, I'm going to be using the website builder. Once you're in the website builder, you will see your current landing page. The URL will be something like yourname.beehivv.com, and this is your personalized landing page, and we're about to make it even more personal. So the very first thing that we can start with the brand identity is to look for the logo and identity section. We can view it and then change to your logo. You can upload a new logo directly from your publication settings. After that, let's align the colors with your brand, so find the global colors section, and here you can modify all of the colors used on your landing page. Make sure to use colors that represent your brand identity. Another crucial element is the typography section. So from here, you want to navigate to the typography section and then change the font for different elements of your page. And if you really want to, you can even add fonts from Google Fonts. A pro tip is that you don't want to use too many different fonts, as it can make your page look chaotic. Moving on, we have some subtle elements that can have a big impact, and those include the radius and the shadow section. Make sure to adjust the border radius to your liking. You can also modify the shadow effects. Sometimes less is more, as subtle changes can be very effective. Moving on, we've got the navigation bar, so go to the global navigation section. From here, you can change the logo again if needed. There are many different templates available. Experiment to see which one suits your brand best. And remember that you can customize your colors and other elements to match your brand on the navigation bar. If your primary goal from your landing page is to grow your audience, then you need to add a subscribe widget. So go ahead and find the subscribe widget section, choose from the different templates, and then customize the text. For example, you can change the enter your email to something more engaging, such as be part of our community right here, and then, the email. If you have blog posts on your landing page, then you want to look for the post style section, and you can customize how your posts appear. And if you don't really have any posts yet, you can always come back to this later. And of course, don't forget about the footer. Navigate to the global footer section and customize your social media icons. Adjust the colors and links to match your brand. If you want rapid adjustments, go to the layout section and use the settings here to make quick global changes. And that's really all that there is about it. You can now customize every aspect of your Beehivv landing page. The key to a great landing page is consistency with your brand and clarity for your audience. So definitely don't be afraid to experiment with different designs until you find what works best for you. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.